This is a first to see me on camera twice in a week. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. Now, before we get into this tablescape, I just want to talk about it a little bit, or talk about tablescapes in general. I started doing tablescapes on this channel in September, I believe. And I'm going to tell you, your girl don't have that YouTube money yet, and it's been a challenge. Somehow or another, I managed to pull it off every week. I think I missed 1 week. I love doing tablescapes. I'm creative. It comes naturally. Next year, I want to step out and do even more and fancy ones and buy a few things, not a lot, just a few. Because so far this year, I've done pretty good without spending a lot of money. But for next year, I want to, get into some more colors, because basically I've been using my signature colors. This will be my last tablescape of the year, and I think it's a beauty, you all. So let's hop into it. Every time I cut that light on, there's a glare. So I turned it off. I might have to turn it back on a little later. But this is a Christmas tablescape. I'm going to explain to you all how I did these. I'm the queen of taking previous items and creating a second tablescape with them, just a little creative. So this week, this is what I have for you all. I'm going to take it apart, and then I'm going to put it all back together. So I'm starting off with some green placemats that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm layering that with these silver placemats that I got from eFavorMart, with my DIY coasters from the first video I did on this channel, and some red plates that I got from Dollar Tree. These saucers that I got from Home Goods, and I spray painted the back silver. This square bowl that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and my green glitter pine cone. I also made some red glitter pine cones. My DIY drink coasters, the video was up yesterday. My glasses that I got from Home Goods. My napkins that I got from eFavorMart, and I just added a little piece of ribbon. The napkin rings that I made, the video was up yesterday. I love creating my own items, coasters, napkin rings, centerpieces, different things like that. I just absolutely love it, guys. My glasses, I got the both pieces from Dollar Tree, and I just took the little dessert bowl and I spray painted it green on the inside and added a little rhinestone ribbon around it. My silverware that I got from Big Lots. 2 weeks ago, I used these. I did make them for wall decor, but they were too small. And so I decided to just keep them and use them somewhere else, and I'm using them on the table. I did these ornament balls a couple of weeks ago, and then I just took them this week. A couple of weeks ago, I had ribbon on them. This week I just cut the ribbon off and decided to use it on top of these vases. I think that was just a unique idea. I like the way they turned out. My silver planter I've used before with these flowers and these picks, but this time I decided to add a little red to the center just to give it that extra pop. I added some ornaments to the table. And that's it, guys. Something simple, quick, and beautiful. And looking at this very last tablescape of the season. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting on? Come on now. On this channel, I create beautiful tablescapes, unique DIY home decor. If you love home decor and DIYs, go ahead and join this channel. You all have a blessed and safe Christmas. Don't let anyone steal your peace and joy. Bye, guys. Merry Christmas.